Today we're diving into the world of YouTube thumbnails with Pixlr, a powerful yet user-friendly online photo editor. A killer thumbnail is your video's first impression. It's what makes people click on your video. It's the hook that grabs viewers' attention and can make or break your video's success. So, let's make yours stand out. We'll start by choosing the right workspace in Pixlr. First things first. Head over to Pixlr.com. It's a free online photo editor that's perfect for creating thumbnails. You'll see two options, Pixlr E and Pixlr X. Each has its own set of features. Pixlr E is like the pro version, packed with advanced tools for detailed editing. If you're just starting out, Pixlr X is super user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Both are free and work great for creating eye-catching thumbnails that will draw viewers in. For this tutorial, we'll be using Pixlr X because it's simple and efficient. It's simple and gets the job done without overwhelming you with too many options. Don't worry, the process is pretty similar in both, so you can switch between them as needed. Alright, once you're on the Pixlr X editor, you're ready to roll. Let's get started on creating that perfect thumbnail. First up, we need our canvas. This is where all the magic happens, the foundation of your thumbnail creation. Think of this as the blank slate for your thumbnail masterpiece. Click on Create New to get started. Now here's the magic number, 1280 by 720 pixels. This is the ideal size for YouTube thumbnails. Type that in for the width and height. This ensures your thumbnail is perfectly sized for YouTube's display requirements. This ensures your thumbnail looks crisp and clear on YouTube, making it more appealing to viewers. Next, let's give our thumbnail a backdrop. A good background sets the stage for your content. A striking background image can make all the difference. It grabs attention and makes your thumbnail stand out. You can either upload your own image by clicking on Open Image or browse through Pixlr's library of free stock photos. This gives you flexibility in choosing the perfect background. They've got tons of cool options. From abstract designs to nature scenes, there's something for every type of video. Just find something that matches the vibe of your video. The right background can enhance the overall look and feel of your thumbnail, making it more engaging. Now comes the fun part. Adding text. This is where you grab attention. Bold and catchy is the name of the game. Click on the text tool, choose a font that pops, I like to go with bold sans serif fonts, and type in your title. Make it big, make it bold, and make it clear. We want that text to stand out, right? Choose a text color that contrasts sharply with your background. If your background's dark, go with bright white or yellow text. If it's light, use a deep black or a rich blue. Trust me, contrast is your best friend here. Alright, your thumbnail is looking sharp. You've put in the effort, and it shows. The colors are vibrant, the text is clear, and the overall design is eye-catching. Time to unleash it on the world. But before we do that, we need to make sure it's saved correctly. But first, let's save it the right way. This step is crucial to maintain the quality of your hard work. Go to File and then hit Save. It's a simple step, but it's important to do it correctly. Make sure you save it as a PNG file. PNGs are great because they keep your image quality intact, which is essential for a professional look. PNGs keep your image quality top-notch. This means your thumbnail will look just as good on YouTube as it does in your editor. Now head over to your YouTube studio. This is where the magic happens. On your video upload page, you'll see the option to upload a custom thumbnail. This is your chance to make your video stand out. Click on that, select your saved PNG masterpiece, and boom! Your thumbnail is now part of your video. You've got yourself a professional-looking thumbnail ready to attract those clicks. A good thumbnail can make a huge difference in your video's performance. Remember, a killer thumbnail is just the beginning. It's the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Make sure your video title and description are on point too. These elements work together to draw in viewers. That's it for this tutorial. You've learned how to save and upload your thumbnail effectively. Now go out there and create some awesome thumbnails. Your creativity is your only limit.